maybe I will show you conversation that on a corner show na your brother, so that you get to know the kind of a person who was your brother to those of us who have come here kumwomboleza. Maria ali ti matuko maha kuge na maria ana ni matuko maha ya kafere. Maybe kuma waliyo try wa mwanya, we might have spoken like 4 or 5 times. Na nededa gonie ile tulele kia kumurukia. Nededa gonie conversation ngone ati indeed he considered me as a brother. And very hindike kumana leo twagire nake wiki kura kwanyu, and we drove in the same car, you know, tuwabiana nawe, but he really insisted that wewe told in Nairobi but to the nane to go matura ini. You saw the video that I posted today. He was very happy. I mean, we were very, very happy to be in Anake. So it is very sad to run a occasion, and I come here ukomerele mlomaki. Nyodo awe orabitaga. Oftenly igeji yo yukete mitoro de muteti. But for sure new yasti, especially matukuma agui. Utadile tutikora totuge tuarana. Atoe kinyara tapa meha. Tuwe ile kudia na mali kwa maji na family au ile utakayo siasa kamera family ndio ndio kukira. Kigoro, but I don't deny my friends. It has never occurred to me at inaugural inderences ya modo ugetika mrata wako. When I was in a similar situation, I don't know my dad. You came, you are with me, and so therefore I would be a very ungrateful person. I cannot get the Nyodoa Oduyo. Let me not even use you. I hope there's a James don't know Kilbra, you are there when I was sure. But there is a James not the moment, and I'm not talking about Nyodoa Mato Maria Market, I got to the Messias. We are going to want to get the Mure, Sergeant Murata when you read there. No Nagra Shoka, he used to be my brother. And I think my wife is to talk to him. No Naga Coca, I have nothing I can do. Kira de Merana Mufia. I keep telling them together. Okanu ke mahujiri ya mahore kama leo kweli. Ndio maana Kenya na watu kwa lia tutika mahore na mboga mara ndio ndio maana ke horangia. Ndio maana kasho kwa horangia. Ifa kinora ndio murumu. Naona ndio ya hore. Tani hapo. Sio ile murumu tani la ya ndio murumu kwa. Tuko mati. Upaya kameroma.
Ahora yo de muerta. Ahora
it does not change the fact that Joshua Manina, you consider me as a friend. And I mean, we are one people. We rule rumwe na tuliandoa mwe. Tareu mwe tuhale yali. Noboro akabya binaga akina karao yakina na emwe anika ina de mondrobe. Iwara inaga ndogo do ile no tamurogi. Oshata kwenda gira wega. Dale kigenyo na kiriku. Mundu cio atangi kwigerera. Ile morale. Kanya diga kwa ile. Naleo kwa hiyo gandima mealio kule ndo mataya alikia kwa tele shaina na mjina na aliga mera kama huu ni kama na kutikisha ndio huko kana tuko huitara na dikisha pale na kende kuja kumwibia ngometa na yake ndio ngatasu
haya
tugomete nake ringi kimundi na endo ame hajuga ni tonera ini ne gushaina ate timuru giuri ni kwenda kuga oshugwe cia mwicho piu makiria ando itu mwithikire twendane muno makiria na wakire tuiguanirera. You don't beat a man when he's down. You honestly cannot beat a man when he's down. Riria mundu emwina mugoro muno ri tiguo nawe uthia kuongerera kironda kana kuongerera cumbi. We should allow people aria mena kaundu menako, especially a person who is mourning, allow that person to mourn. Tiga kuoya thimu yaku wandike undu uramenya ni kumuturithia uramuturithia makiri, because when okoro hindi urandika nduri na ruo no to ruo ni ruri gukora ri ira ruri gukora urienda to sympathize nawe. I would just want to say it is very easy and it looks very fashionable kwandika thimu ine na ihenya muno muno makiria gacara ukandika na ihenya muno kaundu kare ureciria ati niko kega muno no wega ukamba kwiyuria kaundu gaka ndandika ri ni gaguteithia kana ni gaguthukia, ni gakuharagania kana ni gagwaka, ni gakuhonia kana ni gaguturia. Sir James no igorera ria gata muguye tajira ngiaria wega uguo muno akahoreria kamero ni ngora muno. So my brother, I spoke to my mother before I came here, and my mother knew Mui, because you have met, na ndiagira muhepole ciake. Nidamea netu kinyitanira matukumana meruka. We are really praying for you, and we are praying for your family. We are praying for your mother. We are praying for all of you. I know this is very, very difficult on you. The only thing we can offer to you is prayers. We offer our deepest condolences and sincere sympathies. Na Ngai nĩũgũteithia, na Ngai nĩũgũteithia ũtorie. Tiga no harĩa ingiuga kaũndũ gaka ona ndĩ mũtũrĩku rĩ, rĩrĩa wokire njati-inĩ rĩ, if you can remember, wagũrire ndĩ mũndũ mũhatĩke mũno, nĩ ũndũ wa kũrwo nĩ my father norire. He died very suddenly, very, very suddenly. He collapsed and died on Christmas Day of 2023. I had spoken to him when I was leaving Dubai. I've been a difference of like 6 or thereabout. Now, walk away to the with you, do my kind of. He keep it over with you, but not at all. No, I go out to you, go back or in the Orlando because I don't have any other words. All I did not go with you, do my kind of. Or I put out with them that I have a period. Or I don't do with the kind of. Because if you had other words, you get the idea. On an issue, I didn't know you didn't achieve. We shall pray for you, and God will heal your heart, and God will walk with you. And you put it here, Faleno, Litumo, Ogo, Quayo, Mutorania. Every time we go, every time we Muno, Mudo, the Okanaga, Yoti, where the name of the shows. Nika, Yandu, Wayo, the Woma, by the way, you are Quaker. Do you have a you are Quaker. I like hard. I like hard to Carao.